What you guys working on?
A robot. I've got a fancy little wheel that will turn in all directions.
And a cannon drag.
And we got a nice little light sensor that will scan a certain radius.
What other ideas do you have? Interesting things you come up with.
That's classified.
You're not like secretly taping us just to
No.
sell it over to their group? That's
No,
doing
I'm
the
not
same
even
thing
a
we
leader
are?
of any groups.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah,
this is just kind
I'm an independent third party.
This is going to be on YouTube here in a little bit, right? And it's going to be like surprise you're on candid camera.
We won't put any confidential information on YouTube
Okay.
until after
Anything
this is
on
over.
like Facebook? You're not.
No,
you're not
not-
going to Skype it or tweet it.
We won't put anything that could affect your ability to compete. We won't do it. We won't put it up.
You're trying to make a loophole, aren't you?
No.
You're trying to create a loophole in your sentences.
We won't put it up.
I sentence your hesitation
Trying to word it correctly.
in order to give you the upper hand. That way you would have a loophole in your sentence.
I'm not on anybody's side.
How do we know that? You have not given us any proof.
What scenario are you guys working on? Yo, what you guys working on?
The solar collector project.
What have you got so far? What you guys working on?
Which, grid maintainer?
Huh?
Grid maintainer, that's what you're...
Cool.
Challenge.
So we're pretty confident with how we're going to be able to line up our solar panel for the first one that's on the field, but now since that one's like parallel with the wall of the field, but then we're not as sure about the other ones, so that's what we're thinking about.
What you guys working on?
We're working on this thing, and we're gonna make it move and find the sun.
What you guys working on?
The geology one, the geothermal energy one.
Cool. What have you got so far?
Well, we've got three different designs so far. We've mostly just been focusing on the building aspects of it. That one. This was our first one. This was just like a big idea before we actually figured out how everything connected. And that was our latest one. Using all three motors.
What are you guys working on?
Tutorial.
What you guys working on?
It's the base.
I promise we won't put any confidential information up on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere until after this is over.
I'm going to go investigate. If you guys need me, I'll be in that room.
One of the teams, I'm not sure which number it was very protective of their designs, so be careful.
Good to know.